Big Franko in the Suburban.
Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Big Franko. You got it. Yeah.
We're still a Rockets. Man. Hitting y'all with the food, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see how I got laid out. I got the mini sweet peppers in there. I got the red onions in there. I got my chicken seasoned up real nice and good and flavorful. Then, man, what's going? Finish it out with some nice little Italian dressing, you know what I'm saying? So, man, this is going to be a little mini short joint. I wasn't going to post, but hey, I said, well, you know what? I'll post a little 2 or 3, 4 minute thing on here real quick. Give y'all a little something from it. Let y'all see my face, don't forget me now. You know what I'm saying? Gotta shave up, get the hair right. But y'all gonna see it go down, man. I'm gonna let y'all see when I get finished with it. Throw it in the oven, man. I'm cooking it real fast cause it's late. It's what? 7:41 in the evening. So I got this joint on 420. Put on 425. So you can cook it real fast, real quick. Alright, man. Throw me some mashed potatoes with it and all that. Y'all get me. Get back with me in a second, y'all. Oh, y'all see it, man. That's that thing good with that Italian dressing. Don't be scared of it. Put a little butter in there. What's up, man? I told you I was gonna get back with you, man. I had to cook me a couple pieces already. But man, here I go, finished product. Like I say, man, got some butter on it. Got some sweet peppers, got some red onions. Man, with the Italian dressing. Man, just a recipe that I learned to do from a long time ago. From my parents, so. Man, I'm just sending it out. I got enough to go last me about 2 days. I may go take some to my homeboy or whatever. My cousin, man, you know, seeing you posted on Facebook. Y'all check it on Facebook, man, cause I say. The picture be on Facebook first. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, man. Frank England on Facebook. Big Franko 1_H_1_8. From 1H_1AL. 1 heart, 1 love. You know what I'm saying? Frank on Snap. Man, check it out though. But this is my little thing, man. My little dinner for the night. Probably for tomorrow. Lunch, usually dinner for tomorrow. I might leave for dinner tomorrow because I just might go just find me something, you know, cook me something for lunch and make that reboot that for dinner tomorrow. Alright, baby. I was like meal prep. So it's your boy Big Franko with a short one. It's just a gentleman, baby. Mr. The Rockets, baby. 1 heart, 1 love. Get this, baby. Yeah.
Yeah. It's Big Franko. Just a gentleman, baby. Let's get it. Yeah.